Well, look which elevator survived the flood. Of course. The elevator that really needs to go survived the flood. So this is the elevator at the Sears and Roebuck store. Where are we going down? Ooh, someone called it at the King of Prussia Mall, Upper Marion, Pennsylvania. Here we are.
Sorry. Oh. This better not have been returned or something really bad. Something wrong. Thank you.
Look at this store, it's a mess. I think somebody called it, so it's gonna be it.
Is your head okay? Whoops. Here. I have to go to the bathroom.
There it goes, and I guess that's gonna be it.